Hey guys, just going to do another quick video, and this one is going to be how to turn off Cortana. So the method to do this is hold the Windows key and press R to bring up the run box. Type Regedit, select yes if it prompts you, and then we're going to navigate to H key local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, and we can see here that we don't have a Windows search key, so we're going to actually add one. So we're just going to right click on the Windows folder, go new key, and call it Windows Search. And then we're going to select Windows Search, right click in the panel on the right hand side, or right click on Windows Search, go to New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. In the name field, we're going to add AllowCortana. And then we're going to right click on it and go to modify, and we're going to make sure the value is set to 0 as a decimal and select OK. Then we need to sign out of our computer and then log back in. And then we can see that when we look down the bottom, Cortana is no longer there. Okay, see you guys.